Okay, here's a quick video. So the airbag horn assembly has a problem. The horn is blowing constantly. Most likely the reason is that's the airbag assembly. And that golden looking stuff are the two contact plates, surfaces that come together. Those apparently are together too often, but that we'll get into later. The main focus of this video is how to do it yourself little horn button. Now, the steering wheel metal is grounded to the metal of the car and obviously the negative terminal of the battery. Now, the theory is power comes in via this black wire right here. This black wire right here is power in. It's not really a black wire, so don't get confused and think it's the car ground. Underneath this little black plastic is a green wire with a red stripe. Now with car power systems, anything with a red stripe means a power supply. The green, the blue, whatever, that doesn't matter. It's the stripe. The stripe is red. So this is a power supply. So anyway, I connected it. Power supply comes in. It goes to one of the terminals on this button. Obviously power is kind of going through this. Now the other side, the other wire, is going to the ground of the car system, which in this case is the steering wheel metal. So that's why I just jammed it in this little screw here. So this way it's touching the ground of the vehicle. And that's how this thing happens. And here's our cool little button. Goodbye.